Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Ragnarok Origin Classic app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device, and once your device restart, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the Ragnarok Origin Classic app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Ragnarok Origin Classic and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you're connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Next solution is to force stop Ragnarok Origin Classic app. So tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Ragnarok Origin Classic app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you have to clear the data for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, go to storage usage and then click on clear data. Now please take a note over here, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Secure VPN, Brave VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead and launch the Ragnarok Origin Classic app and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Ragnarok Origin Classic app. So simply tap and hold the app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Ragnarok Origin Classic and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after reinstalling it, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Ragnarok Origin Classic app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, down or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Ragnarok Origin Classic app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.